In the twilight of World War II, a new predator took to the skies faster, stronger, and deadlier than anything before it. The Grumman F7F Tigercat, a twin-engine beast designed to dominate the air and the sea. Today, we open its cockpit and uncover the hidden power behind America's forgotten legend. Born in the heat of war, the F7F Tigercat was Grumman's bold experiment, the first twin-engine fighter ever built for the US Navy. It was meant to outfly everything from the Japanese Zero to Germany's best interceptors. Powered by two Pratt and Whitney R2800 double Wasp engines, each delivering 2100 horsepower, the Tigercat could reach speeds up to 460 miles per hour. It wasn't just fast, it was furious. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll feel like a king of the skies. Analog gauges line the panel, mechanical controls hum with tension, and the visibility is pure perfection, built for one thing: air superiority. Armed with four 20mm cannons and four 50 caliber machine guns, the Tigercat was unmatched in firepower. It was built to strike fast and hit hard, a true nightmare for any enemy in its path. Though the war ended before it could dominate, the F7F earned its place in history. Today, only a handful remain, lovingly restored by Warbird enthusiasts who keep its spirit alive in the skies. The Grumman F7F Tigercat was more than a fighter. It was the bridge between propeller and jet, between the past and the future. A true symbol of American innovation and courage. Still roaring, even after 80 years. If you love aviation history and the stories behind legendary warbirds, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because Supersonic News will keep taking you closer to the wings of history.